It's a certified 2018 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and V8 engine. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.